Hello, my lovelies. Hope you're all doing well today. Today is the first day of spring, so as promised, here is my 2019 spring home tour. Coming into the foyer, you are greeted with this 6-feet mirror, and on that mirror, I hung my spring wreath that I got from Ross. I absolutely love this wreath. If you guys want more info on this wreath or anything else in this video, I will have all the related videos down below that go into full detail. Okay guys, we're moving into the living room. This year, it's all about blush pink. As you can see, I styled my coffee table very simple but chic. I have a video below showing you guys several options on how to style your coffee table, and this is the one that I chose. For the sofa, I piled on the pillows, you guys. I just love the way the pillows add some style and elegance and are oh so comfy. I mix patterns and shapes and sizes to give it its final look. Here towards the corner, I have my daughter's old desk. It has become my writing and scrapbooking desk, and I love to display what I'm working on currently. If you guys are new to my channel, welcome. If you don't know, I just moved into this house about 5 months ago, so I still need to pick up a few more items. I'm looking for a sofa table, preferably mirrored for the back of this sofa. Now in this corner, I have my Z Gallery angel wings, and I absolutely love them, and some signs that I picked up from Ross a few years ago. I just enjoy looking at all the sayings and reading them from time to time. I just picked up these curtains about a month ago from Walmart, along with the curtain rods. On to the kitchen. In this house, the kitchen is open to the living room. I like to keep the kitchen clutter-free, so I limit the amount of items I have on counters and keep it to the minimum. My Easter/spring tray vignette has 2 moss bunnies I DIY last year, and of course, you will find that video below as well. So for this year's look, my nieces Molly and Madison were my inspiration. Their mom always has beautiful big bows on them. So on this one, I simply tied a pink bow and added some flowers around her base. Tucked some Easter eggs into the flowers, and I think it looked just so beautiful, you guys. And on this one, I wanted to change her up, make her her own little bunny. So I added some Easter eggs at her base and a big flower right on top of her head. She looks like a diva to me. What do you guys think? Now here I just wanted to show you how easy it is to move the tray over to the side when I need to prep food or when my kids want to have a snack. And that way the countertop stays nice and clear. Moving along, again, very simple, you guys. Just adding some Easter eggs to this IKEA plant adds a pop of color. This bunny hand towel brings the whole look together, and its partner is placed right at the range. Now for the dining room. You guys, I have a video showing you 6 different options for the tablescape. You will see that down below. I wanted to add some other items but felt really ill. You guys, in my video you saw on Monday, you can tell that I was already getting sick. I even wanted to set up the table with placemat settings, but I'm still under the weather and just filming this video took a lot out of me. But I wanted to make sure I keep up with a schedule for you guys, so I'm trying my best. Now I wanted to show you guys the gallery wall in the hallway into my room. I never really filmed this side because it's kind of hard to film this dark, narrow hallway. If you guys like this, make sure you give me a thumbs up. That way I know you're enjoying my content. I'm going to give you guys a quick breakdown of the places I've been to. So Jamaica, Bahamas, Costa Rica, and this picture was taken inside the ship of the Divina, which is MSC, which beautiful ship. This one is the Panama Canal. This one is in Colombia. This one is in the pyramids in Mexico, which was very interesting, you guys. And this is in Mexico at the port in Costa Maya. San Francisco, Fisherman Wharf. This is on the Pacific Coast Highway. This is a selfie my daughter took, which I absolutely love. The graduation of my oldest child. This is a quick view of all of us. Sorry for all the glares, you guys. This is my daughter with her boyfriend in Chinatown in San Francisco, which we absolutely loved. My son's graduation last year. This is another stop we made on the Pacific Coast Highway, and this one is at Lake Tahoe, you guys. And on this side, I just have a couple of pictures of the kids. I'm missing one because it fell and broke. But anyways, moving on. And finally, my master bedroom. I'm giving you guys a quick overview so you can have an idea of what we're going to be looking at. Starting at the entrance, this is my jewelry box from El Dorado Furniture. On top of it, I have 2 pictures from our travels. You guys, I love pictures. To me, they mean so much to me. The first picture is taken in Costa Maya, Mexico. And I absolutely love all the colors that this picture has, plus naming all the places that we've been to. And this picture was taken in Lake Tahoe. You guys, it's very hard to film with all the glares of the mirrors, but I'm trying my best. If you guys have not been to Lake Tahoe, California, I highly recommend it. The water is 99.99% pure. Now moving towards the side, that belongs to the hubby. I keep his side very simple, you guys. I love this sign. It just reminds us that every day we're together. We're getting it done, you guys. We're getting it done. We've been together for 22 years now. It's not easy, but we're getting it done. And so these are just some of the spring accessories. I went over all of these items in my previous videos, and you'll see that link down below, you guys. This candle holder is from Ross, and the candle, of course, is from White Barn. And these flowers are from Home Goods, you guys, from last spring. My lamp is from Home Goods, and these side mirrors here are from Ross. Who remembers this gray pillow, you guys? I just hauled this on Monday on my mini haul. I absolutely love the way it came out. Let me know if you guys like it down below. But I definitely am enjoying these round pillows. They definitely go with the medallion pattern that's on my bed. And I absolutely love the way that it came together. Just added these little tiny pillows that the comforter came with. That they don't make sense to me, but I thought I'll find a little spot for them, and I did at the foot of the bed. You guys, that V is crooked on purpose. I wanted to add a little bit of a whimsical touch to the room. And so I wanted to show you guys, I don't think I ever shared this with you. These trays are from Home Goods, and I have one on each side. This perfume bottle I picked up from an antique store in New Jersey on one of our visits to my brother's house for Thanksgiving, and I absolutely love it. And I have a beautiful ornate frame from Ross and a picture of us in the cruise, you guys, and a matching flower centerpiece. And my vase from January. If you guys haven't seen that haul video, I'll go ahead and link that as well, with some lamb's ear and a matching lamp, again from Home Goods. It's hard to see, you guys, because it is clear, it is crystal. It was $79.99, but I absolutely love the way that it looks. And then I have my garland that I picked up for Christmas, you guys, and I just keep it up because at night it just glows so nice. So turning around really quick, I have a basket full of pillows, you guys, and our initials. So that is the tour, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Remember, we have more spring related videos coming up in the series. So I'm so excited to have brought this to you guys. If you enjoyed it, remember to like it. And if you guys are new to my channel, make sure that you hit that subscribe button, you guys. I'm working hard on growing my channel, and I appreciate every single one of you guys and your beautiful comments. So thank you, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Happy spring, guys.